The evolution of technology has favoured the development of systems and equipments to perfection and improved transport by road. The Acceval lifts are a contribution from the Spanish engineering to the automotive industry, which at present equips thousands of trailers and semi-trailers travelling all over the world. Equipping these systems supposes fuel saving, reduction of tyres wear and the improvement of the manoeuvrability of the industrial vehicles. Acceval has been one of the main manufacturers of Acceval lifts for more than 2 decades, time in which the customers from the 5 continents keep trusting their products. The constant policy of investments and technological improvements in their process of production allows them to offer a quality price, which results in an excellent sales argument for the vehicles equipped. For each system of suspension that is on the market at present, Acceval designs and entirely produces an adapted model. Its efficiency and reliability are previously tested in its test bench, where the engineers assess the results and certify its efficiency as a previous step before selling them, after submitting them to 60,000 working cycles, equivalent to 10 years of intensive use. The quality of the Acceval lifts starts with the selection of the materials that are going to be used. So the chosen steel for the construction of the brackets has a maximum quality and always comes from the same origin. The same occurs with the aluminium alloy used in the control valves and other devices. In the same way, the rubber used for the air spring of the lifts has a highly resistant composition to the external aggression. The pneumatic control valves, produced with the most current CNC machining machinery, includes the TUV certification in order to work with a level of temperatures between -35 and 80 degrees centigrade. The speed, the dimensional accuracy and the finishing quality of the CNC horizontal machining centre and the CNC lathes are able to produce very competitive and extraordinary long-lived valves, even after many years working under the hardest environmental conditions. Acceval factory shows a modern and current profile due to its constant investment in the production process. Thanks to this effort, the time of production of the Acceval lifts has been optimised and therefore there has been a price reduction as well. The laser machine with double cutting head to cut the steel sheet is one of its last acquisitions. The incorporation of the forefront technology added to the compromise for the improvement and design of the Acceval products are a must option to occupy the first ranking in the production of these components. The speed and the perfection of its work are added to the section of the rebowtized bending centre of the last generation, whose accuracy when working is unbeatable. The Acceval lifts brackets can combine the bending and welding process. For this reason, some welding robots are available. An extremely important point is the protection of the steel, as most of the vehicles that are going to be equipped are going to be submitted to hard environmental conditions and to the corrosion of the salt used on the roads to fight against frosts. This process starts with the steel shot blasted, later a first zinc coating will be applied and finally a polyester paint coating. Its aggression strength, which corrosion supposes has been checked in salt spray chambers. At present, the Acceval equipments hold the same homologation required to any other automotion component. In order to guarantee the durability of the equipment, bolts with treatment Geomet 750 are used, which nowadays is the most efficient and ecological process for the protection of the steel. Finally, the finishing process takes place, verifying the components and mounting. Acceval has designed and produces at present a wide range of devices, Acceval lifts and lift axle control systems. Other successful Acceval products are the automatic tyre inflation equipment, the motorised canvas drive system for tippers and the landing legs fully produced with aluminium. The investments performed in research and development allow Acceval to be in the vanguard in the sectors of innovation, design's contribution and ideas protected by numerous patents, which guarantees exclusivity and the competitive advantage in accordance. At present, Acceval is selling in 45 countries within the 5 continents, where millions of vehicles run daily and the compromise of service and efficacy are given. That is what encourages its professionals for everyday improvements. That is what encourages them in permanent evolution.